I've been fishing since I was 5 years old. Fishing is my life. If you ask anyone who knows me, they'll tell you fishing's in his blood. Let's go fishing. Freshwater, saltwater, even fly fishing. Explore the marsh with the Marsh Marshal.
Morning, world. Woo, it's a sunny morning. But I tell you what, it's a little cold. It's a little cold. That sun will fool you out here. Wow. We're going down here towards the lake. They got two cuts down there. We're gonna go try one or the other out, maybe both of them. You know, go bounce the June bug, hit that Okeechobee craw up, maybe throw the jerk bait. It's kind of low. The tide's real low, even dropped even lower from yesterday. That's okay. That means the bass will be holding in little areas where the deep water is. So all I have to do is go look for that, and I should be able to find some bass. All right, world. Marshing. Oh! Low tide. Oh! Yeah, it's cold. Some gloves. Oh well. Going fishing now. White color. One left right there. Bunch of them up there. So muddy. My little holes I want to fish. I don't know. It's all going low tide and muddy waters. Got it jacked up right now. Major structure back here. There's something holding it. Uh-oh, man, a bite. Feel like an old perch. That's the first tip of the day. Better to feel something than nothing. I felt nothing so far but that. So I'll take it. Huh? Gotcha that time, buddy. Oh, I had to play him like a funky piano. But we got him, world. Our first fish of the day. I'm happy about it, because as dirty as this water is, I don't know if I was going to catch anything at all. But we'll take that, boss. We'll take it. I knew they had to have something hanging right behind there. The only structure they got back here. Get something else. Twitch it a couple times and then let it sit like live bait. That's it. Go. Number 2. Right. Piece of fish. Oh yeah. That's a pitch of fish. What you got in your mouth? Number 2. Something has to be somewhere. Thank you, bass. You going back. Let's see what else they got back here. That's old June bug. Tick. Go! One here. Yeah. Right, that little fat belly. Little fat belly. Nice little fat belly bass. Look at it. Full of perch. This is fun. Nice fat belly. Look at that. Pretty. Nice little Louisiana marsh bass. Thanks for the bite, buddy. I have to turn the boat so we can get a better view. All we're doing casting over there, behind that little structure. Bouncing it and just letting it sit for a second. Tide is falling. Anybody want to know what I'm using? Junebug hula stick. Junebug hula stick technique. The tide's falling hard and the wind's going pretty good. Oh! High mast dam. Oh! Missed it. Finally had a hit on the crank. Got a little excited. Hit it too fast. Ooh, it's windy, it's dirty water, it's ugly. I got a few fish though. I had to hustle my butt off. It's been rough, man. That old Junebug hula stick 4-inch been doing the thing. Caught a few of them on that, and I missed one on the old square bill, and then I ended up catching one on it. So I'm gonna mess with those two for a little while, working my way on out. Marshing. Oh! I was gonna have something else on there. Had to miss it last time. Thanks for the bite, my boy. Caught him an old Junebug. Well, see the wind. The wind is cutting up on me. Oh, it gave me a rough day. Rough day. It took a while. I caught a few fish. I don't even know how many. I threw everything back today. Just good catch and release day. Junebug did a little work. Had 2 hits on the crankbait. Caught one. I think it was a pretty productive day. Even though the wind whipped my butt. That's alright though. I knew it was going to be alright. Kind of a screwy day today, but when you want to fish, you go fishing. Thanks for watching. Marshing. Oh!